What's up, guys? It's your girl Tyesha. Today we'll be making this frame diva. So if you want to know how I did that, then stay tuned. Alright, guys. Well, to start this project, you're going to need a portrait face of any choosing. And then you are going to need your mesh. Again, I'm doing the turquoise, but you can choose any color you want. I got that at Amazon, but Dollar Store does have a lot of colors. You're going to need pipe cleaner. Usually 2 would be enough. You just cut it into 3s. And then you're going to need accessories, flowers, or whatever you want to do her jewelry with. Also, you're going to need scissors, hot glue or super glue, and I believe that is it. Okay, so I am just painting her eyeshadow green along with her lips. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll this mesh in a complete circle, and then I'm going to cut it. And because it is a big roll, what I'm going to do is I'm going to then cut my circle in half. And I'm going to be using 3 circles per pipe cleaner. Okay, now that that is done, I am going to start putting her head pieces together. So again, I use 3 halves for each piece. Right now I'm just cutting the pipe cleaner into 3. Okay, so now what I do is I just twist the mesh until I cannot twist anymore. And then as you can see, I stick it between my fingers, and I keep doing that with every single piece until it is all done. And then what I do is I take the pipe cleaner and I twist it around the mesh. Okay, so now that I got that done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my picture frame, and I'm going to measure my picture onto the back of the frame so I can see how much I need to cut off so that it will fit into the frame. Okay, now I'm just going to double check to make sure that everything adds up. And then I am going to start putting everything together. So now I'm just gonna poke a couple holes into her hair where her pieces will go. I just did a few holes, but depending on how many pieces you make for her headpiece will decide how many holes you need to put into her hair. Okay, so now I am going to take that pipe cleaner and I'm just going to stick it through those holes. And this is what it looks like. And you continue to do that until you are happy with how it looks. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place some flowers around until I like where they are, and then I am going to glue them down. I decided to paint her eyeshadow and her lips silver. I just thought that it looked a little bit better than the green with the turquoise and white. So now I'm just adding some super glue to her finger because I'm going to put a stone in there so that her diamond shines. Next, I am going to apply some super glue to her ears and give her some dangling diamond earrings. Okay, so now I'm just putting the picture back into the frame and securing everything. Okay, so now I'm just gonna glue down her flowers and she is done. Well, guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a like and comment, and let me know what you thought.